Okay, as I promised, there would be a little bonus here because I wanted to have a message on my keychain. And in this case, what I did was super simple. So under TinkerCAD and under text and numbers, I used the text box, which comes in super big, but that's okay. I designed in here so you can, again, if that disappears, just open up that text box and you can type whatever message you want to here and change the font if you'd like to. And ooh, I don't like that one, but anyway, you get to play around with that. You can change the different parameters here as well just by messing around. And then what you want to do is I can do copy, paste, so Control C, Control V, and maybe one more time. I want to just quickly show you something that's really useful. So if I click and capture Jana, 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 I can go up here into a line. And a line lets me get things nice and tidy. Now if I accidentally click on one of these, I can kind of see what they do, and in that case that's not what I wanted it to do. This program is a little bit limited in some of what it is capable of, but it can do quite a bit even still. If I like where that's at, I want to group it together, and then I can click on that corner, hold the Shift key, and scale that accordingly. I can also change the color if I want to for my model. Now when I group things together, that color will merge with the color of your primary piece unless you select multicolor. So I suggest that you do. That will allow you to preserve the color of your work, if that matters, which hopefully it does. And again, I could also turn this into a whole. I can make it a little bit smaller if I wanted that part to go. Whoop, now I'm doing something super weird. All right, let's see. Zooming in. Sometimes TinkerCAD is tired, but I can bring that up here, and maybe I want it to just say my name at the bottom of the notch. So it's like Jana, I don't know. That seems fine, like that's an important thing. And group that together. And now you can see, there we go, that rendered my name actually all the way through the piece. Is that right? Or is it just showing it like that? No. Okay, good. I thought that I had pulled it up high enough that it didn't go all the way through. And in fact, that was the case. So at any rate, if you wanted to, let's get that to show multicolor again. So again, this is all one object. So if I do go to scale it, the whole thing moves together now. So order of operations matters. When you do things and when you group stuff together matters, but the best way to figure it out is to do it yourself. And at some point you'll be like, oh, I should have done that a different way. And that's how you learn. So again, go back to happy making, and I can't wait to see what you guys do.